Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how live interactive classes work on Vivid and how it is way superior than traditional teaching and learning. So as you can see this is two-way in which student can see me and I can also see a student. Similarly, this voice is also two-way. Student can and teacher can have a conversation just like Skype. But what makes it very special for teaching and learning is this collaborative whiteboard which can be used by a teacher and a student. As a teacher, I can write here, I can write and draw something over here. Just see, I'm writing here on the board. I can also raise this by using a rubber or eraser. I can draw different shapes like a square, rectangle, circle. These are the different shapes which I can draw. I can change color as well. And I can draw arrows. Let me draw. I can also draw grids. So let me draw one grid. Here's the grid. Because every teacher on Vivid has a digital pen. So it really makes it simple for a teacher to write on a board or write equations and everything also. We can type on the board using this text over here. We can write anything by using this text. I can also upload very high quality interactive content for the student to make the learning very visual and interesting. So I can go to the next tab. So let me upload some content. Let me choose this one. In this, I can upload really rich content in which the student can learn visually and the learning and teaching becomes simple. I can write over this. Student can also write on the whiteboard. I can give access to the student so that he can also add something on this content. So learning and teaching at Vivid is really fun. Thank you so much.